Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to track upcoming and released games for PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Game Release Tracker. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. You can read it, or you can click on skip, or you can click on next, click on next, click on next, click on let's go. Now you can see here all the popular upcoming. So you can click on see more and you can see the date mentioned when the respective game will get released. So if you click on the respective game, and you can see the details, the developer, publisher, and for which devices this game is available. You can click on this down arrow icon and you can see here it's available for Xbox, PS5, PC, and Nintendo Switch too. So you can check out. So similarly, you can click on the respective games, that is the upcoming games, and if you want to add it to the favorite, just click on the respective heart saved icon. Now it will be saved to your favorite list or the library, and you can see below the recently released. So you can see the respective game has been released recently on this respective date, as you can see here. Now you can just click on this down arrow icon and you can see this respective release game is available only for PC. Similarly, you can see more upcoming games here, and below you can see the next option is the library. So this will show you your favorite or selected games which you want to track. And the last one is the events. So here you can see the respective upcoming or already announced game events. So you can track them too here. And even you can click on this option and you can select only for the particular devices that you want to track, and even you can select the game modes, what type of game modes you want, single player, multiplayer, or different types of game modes. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this applications. So by using this cool application named as Game Release Tracker, you can easily track upcoming and released games for PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.